Alright, here we are again, Choro-Q fans, in another commercial vehicle. This I opened up and it's a Toyota, and then I realized through pictures, this is a Toyota Dyna from 1963 to later, but the license plate says 1966, so one would have to assume it's that, but anyways. So, I don't bother with, statistics during these Choro-Q videos. That's not a realistic model, so I just like to know what it is. But anyways, it's a vacuum truck. I'm sure there's a fan blade under this on the real thing, and then it sucks up leaves or whatever vegetation that occurs. I've never seen these wheels before. Very interesting design there. So this whole whoa, what's up with this? Didn't expect that. Alright, well, now we know what these things are made of. It's just clear plastic, but it's really well painted. They leave the lights clear, but they paint everything else. I don't know why this is all scratched up, but it is. And the Toyota badge looks good. License plate looks good. A little side marker. Door handle sticking out. Interesting. I'm wondering if this is supposed to be a screw. Well, there's a screw holding that on. I think there must be a screw missing, but no big deal. Okay, let's see here. Nice taillights here. And the license plate again is looking good. I took Google Translate to this. It said Showa Retro Series. So this is number 1, I guess, in that series. We get some printing for like a leaf meter, how full it is, I guess. And that is that. These are wind-up toys, by the way. They actually go pretty fast. And this thing is from 2005. It also said that on the box as well. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other commercial vehicles. I only collect cartoon commercial vehicles. I don't have room for real scale looking vehicles, so that's why I like these Choros. Boy, sorry. Okay, I have a mobile crane, although I don't know what kind of crane this is. It doesn't say anything on it. I should take Google Translate to that back sticker. Maybe someday. Here's a fire truck, and it's got a lot of chrome on it. It's pretty neat. Here's a TV satellite truck. Pretty funky. That little satellite dish flips up and down. And then I think a better brand is made by Tiny. Tiny here, they have clear headlights, kind of like real die-cast cars. And then, they have these rubbery mirrors. They're actually quite flexible, so they won't break. And I just feel like there's more detail going on with the Tiny ones. So I wish they had more castings. They have a pretty limited selection, maybe 20 different castings. Alright, so those are some commercial trucks. Here we are. So all in all, another nice cartoon truck. I like it. I like all the little printing going on. And I like how that hose looks like it's a separate piece of plastic, so that's neat. And also, this thing has license plates. It makes it look just that much more realistic. So, I will continue finding some more of these Choro or cartoon-esque commercial vehicles. Alright, thanks. Bye.